Pinch punch, first of the month. So it's time to look into what those trending keywords are on Etsy for the past month and see if there's anything fun we can learn about it. If we can, see what's going on, what we try and do here is to find some keywords that are on the rise, real opportunities. So let's have a look. First of all, I'm in eRank under Trends, Monthly Trends, and this shows us the trends for, any months you want, but we're looking at April 2024. So it's to see what the hottest keywords were for the past month. And so, interesting. So here's one that shot up, birthday gift. And this is something that Etsy's been pushing in their gift mode. So certainly interesting. And Mother's Day gift as well. These could very well be things that Etsy has pushed on the front page of Etsy or part of their gift mode. But it's good to know because this is the important things that Etsy, if Etsy's pushing it and people are clicking on it when they see it, then it's popular. But let's do the top 20 first and then dig into more. So the number one was Mother's Day gift, because I believe the rest of the world has it's Mother's Day soon, or it's just been, I've lost track. It's just coming up. So big searches for Mother's Day gift. It's definitely bigger than it was last year. Wall art is number two, and I would say that's pretty much holding steady throughout the year. So definitely a good demand for wall arty things. Earrings and this little flame means it's been hot in the past week as well. Earrings are a good steady trend, and personalized jewelry. Can you mash these up and have earrings, personalized earrings? That'd be cool to know. Gift, we already know. We're not looking at these as keywords that we want to be using. We're looking at these are the top level keywords to say, is there a demand for this type of item on Etsy? So we know gift is, yes. But birthday gift stood out as interesting for sure. Stickers, it's on the slide, but it's still number 7 on Etsy, and this is a fun shop that anyone with any design talents can really get into. I mean, way ahead of your t-shirts and whatever else. People like stickers, and people can buy lots of stickers. Where you can only have so many clothes, you can have lots of stickers. Mother's Day gifts in the plural it was bigger last year. Last year Mother's Day gifts plural would have been well the top of this list, but this year less people. This could be an artifact of what each is showing on the homepage, but again, we're not aiming for that exact term, and if people search for Mother's Day gift or Mother's Day gifts, they should be showing the same things, but eRank shows us the exact term that was searched for, so it's just nice to know. Jewelry's hot. It peaks around Christmas, no surprise, and steady throughout the year. A nice little peaking with candle. I like that. Keychain has been doing good. Resin art is still popular as well, but there's all sorts of things you can make a keychain. Mom gift, I'm assuming that fits into the Mother's Day gift theme. Fallout. Now, no surprise, that was an Amazon just released a TV show, which was great. I really enjoyed it. Fallout has been trending, and it's got a wee bit of a spike. Fallout, its name will be copyright. You can't use Fallout in tags or something, but what this is telling us is that maybe people are cosplaying or looking for certain things in the Fallout style. So without directly saying your Fallout, what theme is that? What kind of decor is it? What kind of costume? Are you looking for like retro futuristic sci-fi type things? Just see what that fits under. Furniture, surprisingly holding on in there with Etsy, considering how expensive anything for furniture is to ship. T-shirt, on the decline. It's still popular on Etsy, still number 15, definitely on the decline. Now, kitchen. Now, Fallout kitchen type goods, kitchenalia in the theme of Fallout without using Fallout. I'm assuming people are thinking about graduating soon. Graduating, if that's coming up soon, graduation gifts will be popular, I'm pretty sure. Necklace, that's another jewelry thing. Home decor and rings is another jewelry. So, jewelry, very popular. People always say, oh, I'm in jewelry, it's a saturated category. It is not. Yes, there's a lot of sellers, but there's a lot of buyers. So, that's important. Is it an easy category? No. Is it saturated? Well, the whole of Etsy is more saturated than it was. We've spoke about this, but jewelry is possible. But I wanted to, yes, let's dive into birthday gift because that is such a vague term. So I just want to show you how I use eRank to use these kind of trends. So if you click on this, any of the blue things, they're hyperlinks to the keyword tool page of eRank for that keyword. So I could change and look in different countries, but I still go for the USA. USA is still more than 50% of sales on Etsy, so it's important to see. The includes near matches is going to include birthday gift and birthday gifts and birthdays gift. That's not a thing, but anyway, you can remove that and see, yeah, so birthday gift by itself just shot up, but birthday gifts, that trended last month and birthday gift is trending this month. It's interesting, but with that kind of switch, it does suggest that this is something that's on the front page of Etsy rather than an organic search, but it's not a bad thing because just about everyone who's searching finds stuff to click on. This click-through rate is good for showing sort of buyer intent. Competition's high, it's going to be for all these top level things. If we are wanting to find a niche, we have to scroll down to find the niche. First thing I'm going to do here, because what kind of birthday gift even is it? So this tab is the top listings. You can see what the top listings were to get an idea of what birthday gifts are people buying. A birthday gift box, dodgy for what you are actually allowed to sell as a gift box on Etsy, so be aware of that. Some are okay. I'm not judging this one or not, but you can't. There's certain rules to that. A Coach hoodie, interesting as a birthday gift. Interesting birthday. So, it's print on demand, isn't it? I saw if you sell print on demand, this is great. But if I'm coming to Etsy looking for a gift for my friends, I'd like more options. Tag templates, yeah, birthday gift tags. It's my birthday t-shirt. Okay, so I get what Etsy's saying for customers. The front page is bland. Now here's better, like a 60th birthday. I know this is probably not quite allowed on Etsy either. I'm not entirely sure. But the item has to be personalized, not just the packaging. So I'm not sure if that's handmade, then great. If that's sort of print on demand and just the packaging, be wary. But I like the idea more of a 60th birthday gift. So a gift for a certain age, very good. Jewelry is a great, wow, goodness me. They are aiming for all the keywords. Woman's birthday gift, naturally mind Christmas gift for her. Etsy, look at your front page. Well, they have mentioned they're going to do this. Gift wrap. So, yeah, looking at this, we have no idea what people want to buy people for a birthday gift. And people don't know what they want to buy people for a birthday gift. So we're going to go up to the keyword ideas. We still have the chance of finding something good here. And I'm going to, but I'm going to filter by the search trend. And I'm going to keep the default keyword match because I want to see everything. I don't want to just see the things that say birthday gift or whatever. I want to see the lot. And we're looking at things that have trended in the past month. And now all I'm going to do here, you get an idea of what's going on, but obviously Mother's Day gift, birthday gift, personalized gift, these are all big keywords that we're not going to rank for, but it just gives you an idea. Oh, could I make more people are looking for things for mum? It's obviously coming up to Mother's Day, but more feminine things, mum, grandma, personalized, and anniversaries kind of popular as well. But it gives you an idea. It's feminine stuff that's selling. That's not to say that masculine might not have a niche, but so what I'm going to do, you just scroll down here, personalized, custom, teacher, just getting ideas of sort of personas, who is being gifted for. But I'm keeping an eye on the right. For example, this is the competition. If we look, like personalized gift has 3 million of a competition. Grandma gift is only 500,000. So can you stand out? You know, you've got much less people to stand out in front of if you were aiming for grandmas or teachers, while still a lot of people are searching. Now, if we saw graduations happening, do people buy appreciation gifts for their teachers at graduation time? Looking at that search trend graph, I would say they definitely do. But I'm really, here's, oh, wow, yeah, okay, I've seen this. This is interesting. People, I've seen my items getting shown in ads for best-selling items. People are, they're not necessarily searching for this. This could be a thing on the front page of Etsy, or it could be competition searching, but it could be a thing on the front page of Etsy taking you to best-selling things, and it populates a search page. But there's not very much competition here. I'm almost tempted to say on some, well, be wary of changing your bestsellers, but at the same time having a tag of bestseller on your bestseller, or having it somewhere, possibly doesn't hurt, because that's a weird search, and definitely you've got low competition. But I can see that people looking for a birthday gift or something, oh, let's just see what sells the best and type bestsellers. Don't lie about it, but you know, it's a weird one. Lots of custom, funny. Here we see Father's Day gift. Obviously, Father's Day is a different time of the year. Definitely be thinking about that. That's likely to shoot up soon. Come on, let's find some gold. Oh, here we go. Butterfly necklace is people are searching for butterfly necklaces, and there's less competition. So if you do jewelry, this could be a lovely birthday gift. I mean, butterfly necklace, if you're adding stones, could you add the birthstones to that? And then you're hitting a whole load of things. I like, yes, people are looking for the birthday age. Still high competition, but not the highest. Oh, Sweet 16. There's a little niche now. Could a butterfly necklace make a great Sweet 16 gift? So this is what I do. I look for things that people are searching for right now that doesn't have much competition. That's kind of, I would have thought a 16th birthday gift, because it's an important birthday. Again, 80th, there's still a lot of people searching for an 80th birthday gift, low competition. So, birthday gift, how can you niche down? You look and you say, okay, birthday gift is trending. If you make an awesome thing that is a 16th birthday gift and people start buying it, Etsy's going to show you more. You might get shown actually in birthday gift. But your 16th birthday gift, really cool. 75th. That's not constant searches, but it is searched for. 21st, well, 16th and a 21st and an 18th. Similar types of things. You could definitely focus your shop on things like that. 100th, wow, yeah, cool. We've got people in their hundreds getting gifts on Etsy. Fantastic, yeah. So birthday gift, birthday cards. Can you focus in on these ages, and also look at what's the birthstone, what are things to do with that age. Any more pop out here? Yep, we just mentioned 18th. 40th birthday gift sister, interestingly specific. Probably wouldn't aim for these. That was just a one-off search. So ones that just shoot up like this are not worth. You want to look and see if it continues. Have we got anything else good here? I think that's pretty cool. So birthday gift is trending, and Etsy has told us they're going to be pushing gift mode. So what can you do for birthday gifts? Definitely, well, we saw pop up bestseller is weird. I'm wary with that one, but butterfly necklace, gift for grandma, gift for teacher. Doesn't have to be birthday gift. We're just getting ideas here. And look, if you're doing birthday gifts, a butterfly necklace for a 16-year-old. Just saying. Anyway, I hope that helps. That's how I use the trends to get ideas. You don't go for the big thing. You say, lots of people are buying birthday gifts, but what kind of birthday gifts? Hope that makes sense. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.